I'm KV Ramesh, Managing Director of Kairali Ayurvedic Health Resorts.
I'm Geeta Ramesh, the Joint Managing Director of Kairali Group of Companies.
I'm basically from a family of Ayurvedic physicians, doctors, and my grandfather, father, all are Ayurvedic doctors.
My background being biochemistry, this prompted me to take even more a great interest in the business, and eventually I landed up doing business along with Ramesh.
My family business was Ayurvedic manufacturing and marketing. Okay. After my demise of my father, I took over the manufacturing, and we had two manufacturing units, one in Palghat and one in Bangalore. My passion for Ayurveda was there in my blood, so I thought I have to start an Ayurvedic treatment center somewhere in India. So I selected Delhi, gateway of India.
We wanted to expand and the business, and what better way than having this line of Ayurveda, the concept of offering Ayurvedic treatments and therapies called the Panchakarma therapy. This therapy, you could say, in Ayurveda is a holistic therapy because it just doesn't treat the person's disease, but it treats the person as a whole. That's the mind, body, and soul. So internally and externally, both you're treated. So a person gets really relaxed, regenerated, and almost a different person he turns out to be. So he knows how to live life then, healthy and a long life.
Yeah, we had a very tremendous growth, and people from all over the world were coming to do the Ayurvedic treatments in our Delhi center, and the demand was so high, so we were not able to cope up with the demand. So we thought of starting a bigger Ayurvedic center plus Ayurvedic health resort, exactly a health resort, where people can come and stay and do the treatment. And we selected Kerala, my hometown Palghat, because this Ayurveda is a origin from Kerala. So we selected Palghat, our hometown. We thought we should make it an exclusive design. So we decided to make 30 different villas in a 30 different design. I didn't want to have a normal resort which everybody does. So we made a concept to make it in a different style. Because each villas are different, we thought we'll give a different name, and we selected the zodiac signs to name it.
So it was not only the villas that were different, even the creation of the plants and trees in and around gave it even more soothing and better effect. We wanted to give in the water effect also, which is the flow of the water itself gives you a very soothing feeling. So we created a stream-like water body all around the property. You have this water flowing in front of every villa, and that's how the idea of creating the water body came in. And at the treatment center also we wanted to have this water flowing, so we had to make a huge waterfall. So all this gave a real complete beautification of the place, enclosed with treatment center on one side, with cottages on the other side, and restaurants which offer you fantastic diet, vegetarian diet. We also the concept of giving vegetarian diet, because Ayurveda, whenever we are doing Ayurvedic treatments, your diet should be very important. Keeping that in mind, we thought of cultivating our own vegetables and using it in our restaurant, but organically cultivating these vegetables. As we were doing the resort, we wanted to keep the treatment center also as serene and as spice as possible. So we have had it away from the cottages, and a vast area was devoted to the treatment center. We had one side the lady session and the other side the gent session, And as you enter, we have the consulting area where our doctors sit down and consult you and talk to you and evaluate you and let you know as to what all therapies you should be doing. We thought it would be nice for the people, for the guests, to have a little bit of yoga and meditation. Though it is not actually a component of Ayurveda, we thought it would complement Ayurveda by adding on this Indian traditional concept of yoga and meditation, where the person can relax for some time, do some exercises, and benefit along with Ayurveda the yoga sessions also. Especially when they do the meditation, so mentally they get very relaxed and they feel more energetic. So hence the combination of Ayurveda and yoga was both combined together. So here we have now the yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, organic food, no smoking, no alcohol,
No.
and no non-veg. So the whole concept of Ayurveda is given in this beautiful Kerala Ayurvedic Health Resort. Kerala Ayurvedic Resort has been here for almost a decade now over here in Kerala, in Palghat. And people from all over the world has been coming and utilizing our services. And when we hear from all the guests who stays here how good they feel about it and how well they have been improved from all their problems, on almost literally changed their lifestyle, makes me really feel so happy that they are benefited with what we really had, a vision that we had in our minds, and that's really succeeded. So now we like to propagate it even more further, and we've been going on with this propagation, want to do it all over the world and help more and more people so that they are benefited with this concept.
Sukhino